Assalamu alaikum. This device not working the remote. How can you set up? Come to setting. Okay, first you come to setting. You see, sometimes this one not working, not showing keyboard, not coming remote, not coming keyboard. You see, how can you make Wi-Fi password? What happened? First, you go to setting. After coming device performance, this one device preference. Okay, click coming keyboard after this one keyboard and inputs. Last facial keyboard. Okay, click the facial keyboard. After coming option, you see here are off, that's why not show keyboard. Click. Now check working or not working. Now click. Now coming keyboard. Thank you for watching my video, and any have problem, any issue, just inform to me. I'll solve your problem.